We have a baby. She is barely 2 days old. She'll be 2 around 11:50 tonight. 2 days.
3 days.
Oh, 3 days. Okay, so much for my counting. That's right. She came Monday night. I'm thinking Tuesday night. So I'm just going in and just doing the newborn movement assessment, and I'm trying to assess her. I'm trying to assess her up on my mat, but I can't get calibrations to start, and I don't want to be off topic with what she's doing. So I'll probably just go to her house tomorrow when I can get it going. So what we're doing here is I'm just trying to show all the motions of the baby. What are you looking for here with the newborn? You get the newborn movement assessment, which she's just fine. Everything's there. I can tell by the way that she's moving around me. But now what am I also looking for medical reasons? How is she in the weight transfer? Is she moving around just fine? So right now I want to work on her respiratory just a little bit because she's a little bit long in her respiratory skills. And she's moving here. She's absolutely sound asleep. And as you can see, guys, with touch, now she's got a little bit of tremoring going on with her legs. And these are the things now that I'm trying to pick up with my sensors so more people can evaluate the babies. And that's what I'm doing here. So now she's going to get her lesson from me because to me she's been evaluated. And now she gets a movement lesson.